It's lit.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Catloco, and welcome to my misery. So we haven't welded on the roof bracket yet, just because where the bracket's gonna go falls over one of those holes. So I started grinding this down more, and I saw more of this pink Bondo. So it was actually here, and yep, we got a big hole. So you can see what they did here. So we're actually going to cut out from like here all the way until about around here somewhere, and that whole patch that's again chopped out and welded back in, so we can fix all these little issues. And I also found this little part right here, so we're definitely going to cut this section out along with this section over here. But yeah, I haven't put the skin on just because I needed to address right here, and then if I need to replace all this metal, I'm gonna go ahead and replace this metal first, and then get around the rest of the roof, replace that metal. As long as it's in the range of where the bracket, the roof skin falls, I'll go ahead and fix it now. Then we'll put the roof skin on here and weld that in. But this area definitely needs to get addressed. Like, I mean, look at this crap. You can see that like mesh stuff right there. But yeah, just a bunch of Bondo. And this is what people do instead of fixing the problem. They just like fiberglass and put this mesh crap over a giant hole like this instead of just cutting it out and welding it in. But hole, more holes, all this is holes. But anyway, let's get it. Alright, so we just have finished cutting out that piece I was talking about. Basically, I cut it from here all the way to here. So all this is gone, and now we got this. See all the Bondo. Anyway, so I got a piece of the bracket. I'll probably leave a little bracket in there. But yeah, it's cut, it's gone. I still have to address this one here. I need to grind this more down and see if I can just plug weld this spot right here. But as you can see, it's gone. We got our little template that we're going to form and weld it in. Alright, so I went ahead and cut out the other side too. So I went a little bit beyond right here because I had to switch grinders. The one went out the guard, so I didn't really see it, but that's easy. I can weld that up. So I'm not really showing too much me cutting anything, just because the last two videos, if you didn't know, I'm doing this all on my lunch break, and I have a limited amount of time, and it takes a lot longer for me to film and show me cutting. But anyway, I try to cut during lunch when my neighbors aren't really home, so I can be loud, and then at night welding's not too loud, so I'll go ahead and do that, just being respectful. But anyway, this is all chopped out. I can start getting the template and then cut my metal and weld this in. Then we'll get back on the panoramic roof bracket. But anyway, this is your boy Catloco. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.